Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a new contact us page on WordPress and integrate contact us form on the page. No more talks, let's get started. A contact us page is very crucial part of any website where you want your visitor could able to contact with you. So that's why it's important, and let's see how we can make a simple contact form page and integrate to our website. This is actually my demo website, and here you can see no contact us page available on the menu bar, and I just want to make a new contact us page because this demo website just think it's a website for business consultant. So as a business consultant, always he wanted to consult to his visitor. So like when some visitor will visit this, when some vi- when visitor will visit this page and they actually want to contact with him. Okay, so that's why we need a contact form page for this page. So for making contact us page, we have to go on the backend of this website. So let's go. This is the backend of this WordPress website, and first of all we have to make a new pages. So go to pages and add new pages, and when you are there, just give a name of this page which is contact us. Okay, and after that make and publish this page. So our page is now ready. So if I want to show you the preview, let's see. This is the preview of the contact page, and here is nothing because this is new. Now we need to install a contact form there. So for making contact form, we have to go to plugin and we have to add new plugin. Okay, so go to add new plugin. So making a contact form, you will get a lot of plugin on there, but my suggestion is contact form 7. So just search contact us, and sorry for my mistake. And here you can see a lot of contact form are available here. You can use contact form 7, you can use WP form, whatever you want. So here you can see our contact form 7 already installed. So that's why we are going to use for this video is contact form 7. So let's find where is my contact form 7. Just go to installed plugin pages, and there we will find our contact form 7 plugin. Here go to settings, and here you can see this is the setting, and one page is already created here. If I go to copy this short code and go to all pages and find our contact us page. So we actually made this code, this page, just paste this short code here and then update this page. Okay, so when update is done, let's show the preview again, and here you can see our contact form is now available on our contact us page. But our task is not done yet because we need to integrate this page on this menu bar. Okay, so let's go back to the theme page again and appear menus. After that, we need to add, like we can business menu. So we need to find which menu is connected, because a lot of menu already created. Okay, so if I found, select this one is menu, and we can give a look home, service, why, case study. So these are available on there, so that's why we need to find that one. It's not this one, marketing consultants, sorry, this one, main navigation. I think this one is selected. So yes, this one. So we have to add the contact us page, add to menu, and here it's now available. Then save menu, and then go to our website and reload. And here you can see our contact us page are now appear on the menu section, and also the form is available on the website. So that's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim. I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.